I love Indiana Jones. It's the coolest movies ever. Like The Sacred Stones. I grew up with that. When I was a kid, those are just the coolest. Which is your favorite?
My favorite is The Lost Ark.
The Lost Ark, yes. It's so awesome, man. You know, I would do anything just to meet Indiana Jones, just one time, and shake his hand. Just anything. Man, I'll do anything. Hello.
Indiana Jones.
No, actually, Hans from Minnesota Jones.
Oh, okay.
He's into archaeology, I'm into zoology.
Oh, so you must be twins.
No, he's much older.
Oh, perfect. Of course. What was I thinking? So what brings you here? Oh, I know. It must be the enchanted eels.
No, it's the enchanted bird.
Enchanted bird? What's that?
Come, let me show you.
Okay. You know, so I've never heard of Minnesota Jones. Why is it I've never heard of Minnesota? I mean, your brother, he's so famous.
Just because he's a sellout.
Oh, of course. So you must be a true scientist.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. How much further anyway?
Let's see.
I don't see any bird. Where's the bird?
It's because I have to give a call.
A call?
Yes, just watch.
Okay. I don't see any bird.
Just take patience.
What's that?
Yes, it is. I can make the detection.
Okay.
So these are synonyms. We say synonyms. We say meaning. Example: big, large, small, little, or.
Excuse me, my girl.
No.
Come here.
What are you doing?
Mind your own business.
Don't say that to me.
What you gonna do about it?
And remember, don't skip class.
Remember, don't skip class. The enchanted bird is watching.
Remember the enchanted bird.
Okay.
Again. You have to say hello.
Yeah.
Take two.